Look at that speech competition poster. I wanna join that competition. So, but I don't know.
Competition? I saw it earlier too. Do you want to join this competition? It's great. You be the winner, Christina.
Don't you like that? Other people will definitely be better, right, Wina?
Maybe. Don't be so early. Everyone will be good if we try it. You can definitely winner. You should try it.
Yeah, whatever.
People always tell me to try and try again. But I'm not that strong of a person. There are times when we feel tired of the exciting situation. There are times when we need to stop from this long journey. There are times when I want to get rid of all the thoughts that are in my head. Throw away all fear and from within. There are times when I want to cry so loud that everyone in the world can hear it. Hear the cries of people they think are strong and don't give up easily. Why do you guys like to make assumptions about me so much? There are assumptions that come out of your mouth make me someone else. I already believe that in all the incompetence nickname they have been of myself. It scares me to show my true self. Please, I just want to be myself. I'm just tired. Let me rest. Give me time. Give me peace. That's all I beg you. It's supportive, but at the same time envious. It cares, but at the same time bullying. It's understanding, but at the same time demanding. It's smiling, but at the same time judgmental expression. It's accepting, but at the same time never feeling good enough. I want to grow up, but my soul doesn't seem to be very excited about it. Maybe she's lying. She's just a soul. One day she says, "Get up, lazy. You have to live your day broad and loud." But another day she whispers, "So tired, can we just stay at home all day?" I can't control her. I'm just body. She's a thinker. She never counts me in her future plans. She's too busy shooting meaningless motivational sentences are killing my confidence in a very low whisper. Like wind in December, you are not good enough. Nobody can be themselves completely, suffocated by all set up, destiny and whatnot, and all the system. Systems are only trying to help and simplify the mundane daily life, but never meant to make life easier. But one slap managed to wake me up. Look around you. Many people who are nicknamed inseparable manage to rise above their circumstance, enjoy a dynamic life, and do important things for the world. Do not refuse and claim, "There is nothing special about me." You are being too hard on yourself. You are you. Failure is failure. Two different things. Imagine if you will fail, then complain and stop learning to walk. It means you give up and somehow you are no. Such people are called failures. Giving up in the same as failing. As long as you don't give up, you are not failure. Supposedly, failure makes you more successful because you are wiser, because you already know the wrong way. No, try again and another way, namely is right way. To pursue your dream, you must take action. Move if you don't want to be left behind. Take action or you will be punished. If you don't have what you want, consider creating your own. You can just sit back and wait for a breakthrough to happen. You have to seize every opportunity that comes your way. Sometimes you will find boulders blocking your path, leaving gaps that can take you higher ground. The most important thing is that you must have the courage and determination to go up there. Staying positive and motivated when the burden you have is unable is very difficult. God made all things possible. Maybe you or I are weak, but He is strong. We feel constrained, but He is not. Keep positive thinking because everything is certain and can be possible. If one person wins, the other person loses. I'm big as you are, but at the same time I'm strong as you are. The limit is not in the sky, the limit is in the mind. When you feel your spirit drop because you were hurt or bullied or even neglected, stand in front of the mirror and find that one thing that is special about you or that you like about yourself. The special things is not only physical. There are many other things to consider.